Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter human skeleton. In that we are studying topic locomotion. Now if I say locomotion, it could be simply said as movement of an organism. So let's study and find out a little bit more about locomotion. Now if movements are amoeboid, ciliary, whirling or muscular, this all can be termed as locomotion. Now different organisms have different locomotory motion. For example, your amoeba has amoeboid motion just to intake that food. Your organisms, which is bacteria, E. coli, paramotion, will have different ciliary or flagellated motion. And as human beings, we have muscular motions. Now, locomotion can be said as willful or voluntary act of displacement, something which is under your control. Now, there are four basic types of locomotion that are found throughout. First one is amoeboid movement. Now, if I talk about amoeboid movement, that's carried out by pseudopodia or pseudophysi leukocytes. Ciliary movements that are carried by cilia or brush-like borders that are present in some organisms, certain parasites or protozoans. Your whirling movements that are carried out by male reproductive sperm cells. Now, if I talk about your muscular movements that are performed by muscles, example your limbs. It also include the act of walking, running, creeping or swimming, an example of locomotory motions. Now, locomotion basically helps to escape from predators, or whenever in jungle if you observe, a deer can preserve itself or it can escape itself from a tiger just with the help of their feet by running away. It helps to move about in search of food. Any animal in jungle or in sanctuaries, whenever they are searching food, locomotion is the one that helps them to reach different destinations. During reproduction or during the movement of sperm and egg, locomotory motions help. So students, in this part of the chapter, what we did study was what's locomotion and what are the different kinds of locomotory motion. I hope you all are very clear about this concept. Thank you.